Hello learners, you are welcome to another class with Mr. Olukorede. Now can we look at this problem together? Now you have to solve for y when k is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. So this is the equation given, right? So now when you look at this equation, you will observe that this logarithm and this logarithm, they look similar. The number here is the base here, while the base here is the number here. So what you are going to do when you have this type of problem, now you find the reciprocal of 1. When you find the reciprocal of 1, so it's going to look like the other. So now let's do that and see. So we have log of y base k plus 1 over log of y base k. You see that now, so the number turns to the base, while the base to our number equals to 2. Alright, so we now say let's log of y base k equals to p. So this equation turns to p plus 1 over p equals to 2. Okay, so now you multiply through by the LCM of the denominator. So that is p. So you multiply this by p, you have p squared plus, when you multiply this by p, p will cancel p, so you have 1 equals to 2p, right? So which is the same thing as p squared minus 2p plus 1 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which we need to solve. So you use your method of finding sum and product. Now the sum is minus 2 while the product is 1. So we divide this minus 2p into two parts. That is minus 1 minus 1. So we have minus p, which gives us what? Minus 2p. So we have p squared minus p plus 1 equals to 0. Alright? You can see now that this gives this. Okay, so what is the common term here? So that is p. That is what we go in this and we also go in this. So that is p. P divided by p squared, you have p. Divide minus p by p, you have minus 1. The common factor here is minus 1. Okay, so when you divide this by minus 1, you have p minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so the common factor here is what? P minus 1. So when you factor it out, you are left with p minus 1. P minus 1 equals to what? 0. Alright, so you have p minus 1 equals to 0, or p minus 1 equals to 0. So we have p equals to 1 twice. Alright, so but don't forget that p is what? Log y base k. So now that means that log y base k is equals to what? 1. Alright, so now you have y equals to k raised to the power of 1. So therefore y equals to k. So y is k. So that is the answer. Thank you for watching.